reset tutorial.
Think of flip resetting in stages. The first stage is hitting it off the wall. You want to hit the ball off the wall right above this point. If you do that without boosting and you hit center of ball, it should be perfect for you to get a flip reset. Stage 2 is jumping off the wall. When do you jump off the wall? As you get better, you can get closer to the time you hit the ball to jump off the wall. But when you're first practicing, I would hit the ball, wait a little bit, and then jump off the wall for your flip reset. Next step is, how do I get my car upside down and hit all 4 wheels on the ball? The way you do that is a move that is thought of in 2 stages. First, turn right. Second, left air roll. If you put both those together, it looks like this. Once you get really good at this, you stop when you're upside down. Once you're stopping when you're upside down, that's your first stage. Second stage of the mechanic is boosting when you're upside down and then pulling back on your joystick so that your car goes upside down like this. And as you can see, you can already see how you would get a flip reset doing this. Let's put all these steps together. And you got your flip reset.